Hello everyone, Peppermint here. This video is just a project share video. What I have in this box is pieces to a 1970s Playskool airplane, a toy. And it is a little riding toy for a toddler. And this was my brother's, and my nephew, which is my brother's son, used it. And now my nephew has a little boy and he wants to use it. Well, I want him to use it. I don't know. I guess the others do too. But anyway, so I decided to give it a little makeover. It's made out of wood. And here are the pieces to it. And I'll have a little picture of what it's supposed to look like. Maybe up in the corner here or something. Maybe. But anyway, I used, this red was Deco Art outdoor patio paint I got from Hobby Lobby. And it did pretty well. And the rest of it was folk art, either multi-purpose or enamel. And I chose those because I was thinking that maybe if it had been left out in the rain or something, that it would hold up better, you know, the wood and everything. I did this with the Cricut. I made a stencil. And this is pretty close to what the original is supposed to look like. And I just did the best that I could to make it look like that. But then especially when we got down here, I had a little bit of trouble. But I got it done, and I think it turned out pretty good. Here's the little seat, and the wheels. Wheels are plastic. Here's the hardware. Here's the hardware. And here, instead of putting Playskool on here like it originally had, I put my nephew's name on there. I thought he would enjoy that and, you know, enjoy seeing his name spelled out. And this P, because it's a Playskool toy, I tried to make that P look like the Playskool P, but I did the best I could, but I don't think I completely got it. But anyway, that is what it originally had on it. And it did not have the propeller. If there ever was one, and there probably was because there's a hole right there, then it's long gone. I think it was plastic, and possibly there was not any kind of a thing that would turn. But this is a toddler's toy, so, you know, maybe it was for safety reasons. And so, I glued together these popsicle sticks, thinking maybe, you know, I could do something like that, you know, attach that to it, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it or not. But anyway, I've got this done, and what I need to do now is I'm going to spray a clear coat on it. That way, you know, it'll have a little bit more protection to it, and then I will, or my husband will, put it together after I've taken it apart. Well, I'll show you the completed project when I get it done, okay? Okay. So here it is. All put together and ready for the little toddler. So there you go.